Okay, Aaron, back straight up. Okay, go. No, not to him. Back up a little bit. Now, go around. Stop right there. Come back this way. Now keep going. Go. Keep your eyes on him so he'll keep looking at you. Now come back this way. Holler, hip. Get back over there. Grab underneath his chin and turn him this way. Now keep going, around your circle. Stop. Back up. Stop. Go forward. Love on him. Turn your back and walk away. Turn your back. Turn around and walk away. That lets him know you're finished, okay? You training horses, aren't you?
Yeah.
Fun?
Yes.
You gonna be a horse trainer?
Yeah.
All right. Chill out, man. See you later.